you?
Hey, how are you? Not too bad. Bit warm out?
Oh, it's lovely out there, actually. It's a nice change.
It's good weather. Our weather's really weird. How you been?
Oh, pretty good, yeah. You want a cool drink? Or...
Nah, I'm all good, thank you.
Okay, there it is. Take a seat.
So, just a quick overview of what's happened.
Yep.
So, starting yesterday, it just started popping up with ads and that sort of stuff on it, has it?
But they were all, how can I describe it? They were really difficult to get away from.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So they'd pop up and take up your whole screen.
Yeah.
And then if you got rid of them, they'd come back.
Yep.
Yep. Like, so, we'll clear all those. Like this, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Interesting. Okay. Did you install any apps yesterday?
Not that I was aware of. Not knowingly, no.
No, okay, I gotcha. So how often does it pop up?
Every time I seem to use it.
Every time you click on something?
Yep.
Okay. Go to your apps, and I remember seeing... Where are we? This thing here. So, when you open up files, like PDF files, you run it through this, yeah? Like PDF reader?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So...
But I don't do that terribly often, but...
No. What I recommend is we uninstall that.
Yep.
Because when I got here, it was running in the background, so 3 hours ago. So I'd say for the past 3 hours, it's been bothering you, even longer, right? Since yesterday.
Yes, yeah.
So we'll uninstall that. And then if we go back to the apps, you said you didn't install anything yesterday. So I think it might have been that app causing you pop-ups, to be honest. That one PDF app. Adobe, we'll see if you have Adobe Acrobat. We'll use that to open up PDF files now. Adobe Acrobat, we won't use that other one because that other one, that's what was causing the pop-ups, I'm pretty sure, honestly, just by looking at it. Normally, when those come up, it's either if you've downloaded an app or if you've clicked on something and it's downloaded to your phone, they will pop up and they will just flood the screen. I've had clients that it's multiple consistency, so I couldn't even do something like this without it popping up. So I had to put the phone in safe mode, which what I would have done if it was still popping up now, and then uninstalled your apps individually. But it was that PDF reader app by the looks of it. So if we go device care. I just want to do a little scan while I'm here. So this will just scan the apps that are on your phone to see if there's any viruses or errors or anything in regards to those. So that's all right. That's all good. All good. Any other issues?
No, that's it.
No, that's about it. That's all good. Yeah, everything should be working normal now. Just keep in mind what sort of apps you install. If you install an app and then you realize that, those come back up again, just go back to the app that you installed recently and uninstall it. Weather apps like this one here, like weather apps in general, they're notorious. They are notorious for having pop-ups. So I wouldn't recommend having any weather apps on your phone. For weather, what I do is I just go to Google and I just Google, the area that you're in, weather, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. But
right, happy to do that then.
Yeah, easy. I can show you how to uninstall apps if you'd like.
Yeah.
So if we go settings and go apps there, or you can type it up in the search bar up here. If you go apps, just in the search anywhere on your phone, and then it will show you all the apps that are on your phone. Yep. If there's any there that you don't want, like you can just click on it and then force stop, uninstall. When you uninstall it, wipes it from your phone. So the data that's with it as well.
Sure.
And then, yeah, that's just if you ever want to just go through your apps and delete anything. But yeah, weather apps are notorious for having those sort of pop-ups, but that's all good. That's all sorted for you.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
That's all good, no problem at all. Any other issues while I'm here? No? Everything's all sorted?
That's great, yeah.
Easy.